The earth is constantly changing, and we need to protect our environment to have a beautiful world, and by that, the next generation also can experience and witness how the world is truly beautiful. Do you remember the 3 R's, which means reduce, reuse, and recycle? For reduce, minimize the amount of waste you create. For reuse, use items more than once. For recycle, put a product to a new use instead of throwing it away. The 3 R's are considered the most convenient to do in order for us to save the environment. Let's make good things starting from us, because I do really believe that prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching.